Iniurong na ng petitioners ang ikalawang impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte, sina Akbayan Representative Percy Sandania at mamayang Liberal Party List Representative Leila de Lima ang endorsers nito. Samantalang sumang-ayon naman ang mayorya ng House Justice Committee na isantabi ang unang reklamong impeachment dahil sa paglabag sa one-year bar rule ng paghahain ng impeachment complaint. Ine-endorso naman ito ng makabayan lawmakers. Technically, dalawa na lang ang susuriin ng House panel ayon sa chairperson nitong si Batangas 2nd District Representative Jervy Luistro. Bunsod nito, inaasahan ng mapapabilis ang proseso ng pagdinig.
Apparently, we will be able to move faster considering that we have 2 impeachment complaints na lang. Yes, I believe that there's basis to say that we can move faster this time.
Samantala, binigyang diin naman ng Vice Chairperson ng House Justice Committee na si San Juan City Representative Bel Zamora na hindi apektado ang merito ng mga reklamo dahil lamang iniurong ang ikalawa at isinantabi ang una. Dagdag pa nito, susuportahan at makikibahagi ang endorsers ng first at second impeachment complaints sa deliberasyon ng House panel.
In fact, the endorsers of the first and second complaint said that they are supporting and are joining the deliberations of the third and fourth impeachment complaints. There was no ruling on the merits. In fact, the endorsers themselves of the first and second complaints said that this is not their withdrawal.
Ipagpapatuloy ng House Justice Panel ang deliberasyon sa dalawang impeachment complaints ngayong araw at tutukuyin kung sufficient in substance o may sapat na batayan ng mga reklamo at pasok sa impeachable offense na nakasaad sa saligang batas. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.